from 8A1 from CBSE. I am from Guru Drona Science Academy. So today I am here to explain the physics topic, that how do we all human beings hear the sound. So as we know that sound is a form of energy which causes sensation of hearing, and the sound is nothing but the vibrating air column which is present around us, and the organ which enables or helps us to hear these numerous kind of sounds is ear. So further, the ear is classified broadly into three main types or groups. They are, first is outer ear, second is middle ear, and third is inner ear. So now we will see the composition of outer ear. So outer ear mainly consists of pinna, ear canal or ear tube, and third is eardrum. So the organ which is only visible of the ear is known as pinna. Pinna function as it collects the numerous vibrating waves from the surrounding and directs into our ear. And second is ear canal. So these vibrating sound waves travel through the ear canal and then strikes on the eardrum. Eardrum is nothing but the strange membrane which get vibrating in 2 and 4th movement when the vibrating sound wave strike on it. Then we will see second, which is middle ear. So the composition or the function of middle ear, that it mainly consists of three close packed bones which are commonly known as hammer, anvil, and stirrup. So these three bones are packed in such a way that they start moving when the eardrums get vibrating in 2 and 4th movement. And these three bones also help in the magnifying the sound waves and then direct them into the inner ear. So inner ear is the last stage of the part of the ear. In the inner ear, it consists of a fluid and numerous kind of tiny hairs. These tiny hairs are the sensitive ones which transmit the sound waves into an electrical signal, and then this electrical signal travels to the blood by the via auditory nerve, where the finally sound is interrupted, and this is the process how we all human beings hear the sound. Thank you and have a very good day.